Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today we are going to be making a cute little teddy bear. So you guys may have caught my floral teddy bear video. If not, I will link it above and down below as always. But you guys really seem to like it, so I thought I would do another one. I have another little styrofoam bear. It actually came in a 2-pack, so I've had this one since I did the floral video, and I've been waiting for inspiration to strike to know what to do with it, but I think I figured it out. I have gems, so many gems. So instead of flowers, we are going to be blinging this guy up, and he's just gonna be all gems. And I'm super excited for it. I have my hot glue, and we're gonna get going. So I ordered the set of gems on Amazon, and they're really, really cool. They're all different sizes. I have little rounds, teardrops, weird fake trapezoids with too many sides, and ovals and triangles, but they're kind of like super iridescent and shiny. Love that. I also have, so I have 2 packs of those. Like these are all the inner packs, and it comes with the 2-pack. And then I've got these from I don't even know where. They're not super shiny. They're just little round flat back. They're not iridescent. They're just clear. But like I ran out of roses last time, so I wanted to make sure I was covered on gems. But my hot glue gun is heating up right here. It's not hot yet. It's still stuck. But I have my teddy bear right here, and he's ready to go. And I'm thinking the super shiny iridescent gems on the front. And then if I run out, I'll do the other ones on the back. So he's glittery all over because that's the point. But like, seriously, I'm so excited for how cute he's gonna be. Super cute. So I've got all my gems laid out in front of me with my extra glue sticks and my teddy bear. And look how dreamy that looks. I love sparkles. Oh my goodness. So those are gonna be on this, and it's gonna be amazing. There we go. So I've got my gems laid out, my teddy bear, my hot glue is warmed up, and we're just gonna start laying them on. I think I'm gonna start with his eyes, because why not? So we're gonna do 1 dot there, 1 dot there, and he's gonna have big oval eyes because he's a big, cute teddy bear. There we go. That was smart. I didn't even think about doing that, but of course he needs like fabulous eyes. So there we go. And now Mr. Teddy has a face, and we can get started for real. So I'm not going to do the individual dots for all of them because that's like way too much work. Instead, I think I'm just going to do like a line of hot glue, if I can get it to come out correctly. And then we'll just put the gems on as it is cooling down and attaching them. And I think that's going to work wonders for me. So I'm just going to kind of lay the crystals out, sort of trying to match up the edges. I understand that there's going to be like gaps and stuff, and some of the styrofoam might show through. Honestly, I'm okay with that because it's like white and you're really not going to see it, I don't think. I think for the most part it's just gonna look like super awesome, but I'm just trying to get like a nice little tiara of different shaped gems on here. And as we go, we will figure out the shapes and try to get them as close to each other as possible. But I also don't want them like, you know, fitting perfectly together, but oh wow. This is definitely a good idea for a craft. Can you see what this is gonna look like when it's done? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna change the camera angle. We'll get them a little bit more glitzed out, and then final reveal hopefully soon, because I'm already excited about this. So we are going to speed up the gem application process. I am using hot glue and the gems that I showed you, and these are nice big gems, so they actually go on pretty quickly, which is really, really nice. Also, they're big enough that for the most part, I'm not super burning my fingers on the hot glue, which is definitely a bonus. Also, side note, if you guys are using hot glue on styrofoam, keep it like medium heat or like a lower temperature gun, if that makes sense. Or if you're using a high temp heat gun, just use it a lot so that the glue doesn't have enough time to like supercharge heat up, because it will melt into the styrofoam and you will get like little divots in there, like it just melts it down. So that's not great if you're working on a teddy bear like this and you want it to be a nice smooth application. But mainly I just worked quickly, and then the glue never got hot enough to cause a problem. But you can see here the face and ears are going on super fast, and he's already like glitzy and adorable. And I just like can't even imagine what the whole bear is gonna look like. Super excited, but I'm gonna do a little baby reveal right here, so you can get an idea of what he's gonna look like. Notice the eyes, they're so cute. I did the same thing with ovals in the ears. Even though I'm putting on different gems by each other to create cool shapes and different kind of angles that catch the light. I am also creating shapes in certain parts of the bear. So here on the nose is an oval with a little teardrop for the mouth and then little circular gems around the snout, just to give it a little like extra special definition. So he's not like a flat bear, he's like a teddy bear with like proper eyes and like a mouth and a nose and then like cute little ears. I'm thinking of kind of putting special shapes on the paws too. Nothing that like really stands out. Like I said, I wanted to like blend in with the other stones, but also if you look, I want it to look like a proper teddy bear. So that's important to me, but we are going to kind of concentrate the like good premium, super cool shapes, super sparkly iridescent gems on the front and top of the teddy bear, because that's what I'm really going to see when I'm looking at it. And I'm not 100% sure that I'm not going to run out of those. And my other gems that I have for this are fine. They're flat back, they're circle, they're bright and shiny, they're great. But they're not this great. Like, look at this beautiful bear. So we're moving on to the back. I've opened up my second bag of gems. So this is kind of like the final rundown of them. When they're out, and I switch to the other gems. Kind of fun pro tip for you. If you change up which gems are near each other, you're gonna get better light reflection. Like, so if they're all circular or they're all square, it's gonna look very uniform. All of the kind of edges where they drop down and there's no light, it's just hot glue, they're all gonna be in the same place. It's gonna look very uniform and very kind of like one dimensional. I mean, it's obviously 3D, but you know what I mean? But if you take a bunch of different shapes of gems, like your hard cut squares and triangles next to your circles, next to like the teardrop, and you just get all those different angles in there, it's gonna reflect the light so much more brilliantly, and it's gonna look so much more sparkly, like at least 2 times more sparkly if you use different size and different shaped gems. So fun little tip there for you. Okay guys, are you ready for the grand reveal? Because it is fabulous. Look at this sparkle. Oh my God, are you living? Both sides. Obviously I used all the good crystals on the front and then on the back for the most part. And then like you can actually see the little white ones, like they're super tiny. And oh my gosh, do I prefer working with the big ones, because like I did the whole front and most of the back before I ran out and went into these. And this little bit, like right here, took me the same amount of time as the whole rest of the bear. The big ones are better for sure. I would definitely get 3 bags next time instead of 2. But look at it. Oh my God, look at it. It is perfection. I'm gonna do like a close-up so you guys can see, but it's so sparkle, it's so bling, it's so disco, it's so happy. I'm obsessed. Like I'm seriously obsessed. So cute. I like this. Don't tell because he can hear me. Better than the flower one. I'm gonna grab it to compare so you guys can see them side by side. They're little siblings, but oh my gosh. So just for comparison, here is the little flower bear I did before, and I love it, honestly, like it's so cute, and I will link the video above and down in the description. But comparatively, like this bear is lit. Look at that, like super cute, fun, sweet, romantic, but like, hello, oh my gosh, so cute. And now they're little partners. Ooh, this one's way smaller. The flowers added a lot of bulk, but definitely awesome. So these little styrofoam bears actually came in a set of 2. So I'm glad that I figured out something else to do with this one that wasn't just like a copy of this one. I love it. I love it so much. But I did promise you a close-up, so I'm gonna do a close-up. As always, guys, thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you here again soon. Bye for now. Look at him, you guys. I don't even have a sparkle filter or anything on here. This is just what he looks like in the lights. Like, oh my gosh. So beautiful, so sparkly. I did add like the little details. I did the oval eyes, I did them in the ears, the little nose and mouth, and then on each paw and on his tail. But like, seriously, look at this. Like, oh my gosh, right? Amazing, absolutely stunning. I'm so excited. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.